It's what's today? The 3rd? Yeah, today's the 3rd of January. I got bored, so I figured I'd come out and do something with this thing. This is an old propane tank that I got off of the side of the road. As you can see, it's really rusted. It's really bad. I took a adapter for it, and I purged out the propane, which basically means you open the valve and let it drain. And it had a good bit of propane in it, which is a miracle if you look at the condition of how rusty it is. But I wanted to turn some of my propane tanks, and I have about 8 of them that I've been picking up, and my wife says I'm hoarding, but I'm just collecting because I know that these suckers are 55 new, empty. Then you pay $22 for a refill when you swap it out at the exchange. Or if you buy one of these suckers that's full, these 20-gallon propane tanks full, in my market, it's about $68, $70 each. So what I want to do with this one is I'm going to cut off the nibs here, make a door. And I know it's not really necessary because I live in Florida, and some of you guys already have seen the videos, but I want to make a propane wood burning stove out of this tank. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the aesthetic of the handle and just cut a door on this side and have a small chimney come out the top. Not sure how I'm going to do that, but I'm bringing you guys along. And the airplanes are coming in. It's close to 5 p.m. here in Orlando.